Hi, my Simpson Ezi set 9.5 kilograms keeps flashing error E11. I have tried cleaning hoses etc. and this helps, but it seems to be filling up and then draining before washing, trying to fill up again, and this is when the message appears along with 4 beeps. Hope you can help, thanks.
Hi there and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. It is on the left-hand rear side of the control panel when standing in front of the machine. Thank you. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41257.16877800324.
Hi, SWT954.
Hi Jodie, this might sound silly, but if the water is draining away when the machine should be filling, then you have got the drain hose too low for the machine to be able to reach the correct level. Water is self-leveling with the help of gravity. So if the water level is higher than what the drain hose is, it will siphon away through the drain hose. This will trick the machine into thinking there is a problem filling, because the water level isn't being reached within the specified time that it should be, and the washer knows this. That is why you are getting the E11 fault code. Double check the drain hose height at your laundry sink. It should be as high as the washing machine cabinet and higher than the water level you are trying to achieve, etc. If the pump is running at the same time as the water is filling, then this is a different problem altogether. Try raising the height of the drain hose, retest the machine and come back and let me know please. Okay, we can work from there. Thank you. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41257.17744122963.
Hi, not silly at all. We have the drain hose emptying out into a floor drain as the washing machine drain, and our sink is not plumbed laundry in the shed. I have lifted the pipe so that it sits in the cradle at the top of the machine and then goes down again to floor level. I'm refilling and testing now and will let you know soon. Thanks.
Thanks.
Hi, looking good. Cycle almost finished with no problems, thanks heaps.
Hi Jodie, excellent, that is great news. Always remember, the drain hose should be as high as the washing machine cabinet. Okay, hopefully you will give me a good rating for helping you today. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.